So rainy. We're going to Trader Joe's. Woo! I'm going to get all of the fall things finally. It's been a long time coming and I've prepared myself today. It's so rainy. I'm hoping it's not busy. Look at how rough I look. All right, just got back in the car. I decided to drive because it's such a rainy day and I was like, I don't even want to go, but I do. I like the slow browsing Trader Joe's experience, but in the city, every one of them, it's just very hectic. It's very like, go, go, go. Actually, today there wasn't like a crazy line or anything, probably because of the weather, because it's like so shitty out. No one wants to leave their house, but I'm happy I stocked up. We'll do a haul when we get home. All right, 'tis the season for the fall haul. It's time, okay? I'm here in my cozy sweatsuit. It is like the first day it's like really cold. Like it's like 50 degrees. Not even though that's like really cold. I'm gonna regret that as it gets like really truly that cold, but you know what I'm saying. We're cozy and I went to Trader Joe's, so let's do the fall haul. I got some fall things. First bag, herb salad mix, ready to eat blend of organic greens and herbs. And I got some mini pearl grape tomatoes, mini cucumbers, and I really wanted to do like a Greek inspired bowl. You'll see the rest of the like Greek things that I got, but that will be a good meal idea, I thought. We're bringing it back to the Boston days. If you know, this was like my bread of choice there, and I've been really on a big sourdough moment. I went to a restaurant with my parents in Florida, but I know it's a chain, Brio, I think that's what it's called, and they gave this fantastic sourdough bread like on the table. I couldn't stop eating it and it reminded me how much I like sourdough, so I decided to get a loaf of this. Mandarins, not very fall, I guess they're in season now though. They are such a good snack to me. One of my favorite fruits. I don't really like too many fruits, honestly. I'm coming to that realization as I get older. The mandarins hit. The first pumpkin item. Pumpkin spice batons. These remind me of the Starbucks cookie straws. I think you can use them probably as a straw. They give me that energy, but I am mostly looking forward to having these, yeah, like alongside a pumpkin coffee, a pumpkin as like a little treat. Love that. Fig and olive crisps. You'll see why in a little bit. This is just for the freezer. I got some spinach and artichoke dip. I feel like if I had like friends over, I'm like projecting to like I have no plans to like do this, but like if we're having a cozy day or even just like Ben and I like heating this up and serving with some chips, it's a really easy thing to have just in the freezer. Don't have to worry about it going bad. I got 2 dill pickle salad kits. I tried these the last time I got them. I'm obsessed. I love pickles in general. So this is amazing. It comes with the dressing. Instead of croutons, it's potato chips that are dill pickle like flavored. It comes with like dill pickle like seasoning. It's just fantastic. I'll say that. So I had to get 2 of them for the week. And then I got just pickles in general. These are really good. The dill pickle spears from Trader Joe's. Oh, by the way, I got brown nails this week. I didn't vlog this whole weekend. I just took a little bit of a break. Just after I got back to New York and whatever, I just like wanted to not, I didn't really post on Instagram either. I just had a very like offline weekend, which was really nice. I like to mix that up into my life sometimes, but I got these brown nails that I really like. They are just like chocolate brown and I kept them like long and I really like them. Now this is like the great bag of dips. I swear I got so many dips. I didn't even get that many chips, but we'll figure that out. I got this to go on the bread. This is the pumpkin cream cheese spread. Okay, now this I'm excited about because I've had it before. It's lightly sweet and I feel like this just on a piece of bread is a great snack, great way to start the day instead of like butter, you know? Even though I like butter toast a lot. Oh, we got some cutie little pumpkins. I think I got 3. I really like the white ones actually. They're just for decoration, but they're a pretty inexpensive decoration option. I think they're like around 70 cents each. So that's cute. Dips. First I got buffalo chicken dip. I really want to eat this right now with like some crackers or bread or something. I love it. It's so good. It definitely has a kick, but it's delicious. You could even warm it up if you want. It's really good that way. This is for those like Greek bowls that I want to do, tzatziki dip, but you could also just use it as a dip. And then this was new and I'm really excited to try it because I love this cheese. The unexpected cheddar cheese from Trader Joe's is so good and they made it into like a spread. So I'll have to try this or like serve it if I do something. I got some olives to go in those like Greek bowls too. Love olives. Cheese, instead of like string cheese, I got these mozzarella cheese snackers. They're really good. They come like 3 little balls in a little pack and they're really good. On the Greek bowls, instead of like, for some reason, like meat has been kind of, like it hasn't been doing it for me. So I got tofu and I figured I could pan fry this, put it in the air fryer. I really want to start using my air fryer again. You'll see with the frozen stuff I got. A lot of it's air fryer friendly. I always like to have a bag of this around the turkey jerky. It's a really easy, healthy snack. high protein, so it fills me up. And I got soups because today it was especially giving soup energy, and I love like a soup and salad moment. This one's really good, the lentil soup, and then I got the kettle cooked chicken noodle. Just both of these I thought sounded fire. I've actually had them both before too, and they are fire. All right, last bag. This was an expensive haul too, but I haven't been in a while since the last time I did the Trader Joe's haul, probably like a month ago, maybe 3 weeks. A go-to for me, this is the Japanese style fried rice with edamame, tofu, and seaweed. I just love the flavor of this. It literally tastes like I got fried rice from takeout, and you can keep it in your freezer. It's amazing. Okay, I got 2 of a few things. That's how you know I'm serious. This, they only have in season for a limited time. I probably should have gotten even more than 2. The butternut squash mac and cheese. So easy. You throw it in the microwave or the oven. I actually like it in the oven because it gets kind of like crispy on top, if that makes sense. Yeah, like regular pasta, you know, if you would put it in the oven. It's rigatoni pasta with butternut squash puree and a blend of Gouda, cheddar, and Parmesan. So it's just phenomenal. So autumnal too. Like it has that like hearty taste that like it feels like it's just like a home cooked meal, even though it's obviously not, but we're trying our best. Veggie straws, veggie sticks actually. I haven't had these in a while, but they kind of remind me of like the snack that my mom would pack me that I like would literally avoid at all costs because I just didn't like them, or I liked them less than the other stuff. But now as an adult, seeing them, I'm like, they look delicious. Had to get them. This is new. This is the JoJo's granola cookies and cream. I saw this on, I follow a lot of like Trader Joe's like accounts on Instagram. You could probably just go to my following on Instagram and search like Trader Joe's and find them if you want, but or you could just go on Instagram and search for like Trader Joe's, and there's like a whole community of like these accounts that post the new items, and like some of them even review them. And this one was, I think it was pretty highly rated. It's the cookies and cream granola. I don't really know what I'll eat it with, but I love cookies and cream flavored things, so I thought I had to try it. I just like it felt right. Oh my god. I love these. I have to be careful though, because I literally will eat so many of them. The Spooky Bats and Cats Sour Gummy Candies. Happy Halloween. Happy spooky season, y'all. I got 2 of these because they're so good. And every time I get them, I have them like the first day I get them. And then I'm like, wow, I wish I got more. The steamed chicken soup dumplings. And they're very like fall vibe, I feel like, because they are filled with soup essentially. Microwave it, and then you eat it with like a big spoon, and you eat it in one bite, and it's like filled with soup, and it bursts in your mouth, and it's just, they are so good. Okay, I wanted to try to make a real pumpkin coffee. Like, I've been using pumpkin spice and whatever, but I really wanted to try to make a real, like, either a pumpkin creamer or something, so I got a can of organic pumpkin. We'll see what I end up doing with this, but I have some tricks up my sleeve, I think. Last frozen item, I got mini chicken tacos. This is what I thought would be good in the air fryer, because I know, because I've had them in the air fryer before. They're really good. She's really good. The last item, hopefully I remember to use it, because I think I have a lot of boxes of like cake mix right now that I just haven't made. But the pumpkin bread and muffin mix. I love pumpkin bread. It's super easy. You just add eggs, vegetable oil, and water. Like, it literally couldn't be easier. And I've had this one before. I know my mom used to like make this one when we were at home and when we lived at home. So good. Okay, so that was the fall haul, guys. Thanks so much for watching that part of the video. It is Sunday. It's like 5 o'clock now. I'm gonna put all of this away, maybe have a snack. We'll see. I spent the whole weekend at Ben's, hence this suitcase here. So I really just was not here. So now things here need to be taken care of, because you know, she's gotta get it done. So let me put all this away and I'll get back to you. Let me show you what it looks like first. Like, oh, and I got these roses, I meant to say. These are simply the best roses. They are the Country Rose from Trader Joe's, and they last so good. I got this light pink color, so cute. I'm gonna put them in a vase. Also so random, this cookie company, Dirty Cookie, these just showed up at my door. Whenever I say that, people don't believe me, but things show up at my door. We have, you know, a lot of people that we work with that I think share our address, you know? So Dirty Cookie, and these are like stuffed cookies. I'm gonna put them in my freezer. They look so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nutella chocolate chips, say less. And then look at these. They're like little pumpkin, not pumpkin. Actually, maybe they are. They're cookie shooters. So you could put like milk in it, or like even a shot, I guess. Wow, I like need to use these this week. I don't know who sent them, but maybe Dirty Cookies. So thank you. I got ready for the day. This is like a staple like fall outfit that I wear. I think I wore it a lot last year. But I'm wearing my hair up, which I like never do. I have like a weird thing with my ears, but I just left 2 strands of hair down and then put it up just because I felt like I had a lot of like bulkiness going on up here. I just wanted to get my hair kind of up out of my face, if that makes sense. This sweater is Everlane. This jacket is Aritzia. The pants are so comfy. They're from Abercrombie, and then Puma sneakers. I feel like I've worn even like this combo already. My mom is in the city for an appointment, so I'm going to go meet her for some lunch on the Upper East Side. So spend the day with me and my mom. Basically, not really day, just like afternoon. But I did my makeup. I'm feeling very fall. It's actually like cold outside. It's like 52 degrees. But let's go to the Upper East Side and have a day. Okay, we're waiting for Dr. Jody. My mom's just getting checked up on. Nothing else, really. You look great. Really cute outfit.
Thanks. Oh, pink sweater for Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Oh yes. The runway?
Of course.
You use code Adina.
So nice though. Such a nice one.
Yeah. Wanted to tell you, Mom, I feel like I don't want to say we originated this trend, but on TikTok these days, there's been girls that like will show their mom and have their mom do their outfit of the day. But like on TikTok, like, you know, so, and I feel like we originated that on YouTube, you know? I have to show you something really cute. Maybe you should start doing it. You always look cute.
Thanks.
Cutie little outfit. I actually was just thinking that I want to get a black vest because I feel like they're so practical.
I heard you and Danielle talking about your puffers.
Yeah.
And then talking about all the ones that you threw away, like those, the ones from, was it not Gap? Was it, where did you get like, where?
Oh, J. Crew. We didn't throw them away.
Colors.
We sold them.
That's right,
Yeah.
Of course. In fact, I went into your closet today when Brooke sent me a rather rough text.
What?
Telling me how to dress.
Oh, because it's cold today and my mom likes to wear like high heels and like a look.
Sneakers.
No, I know, but I was like dress comfortable and warm because we might do a little walking. We're gonna walk to lunch.
So I had to go into your closet. I did go into your closet. Actually, I found, so you know that you left in there like a cream colored, almost like a light corduroy jacket.
Okay.
Black zipper. Anyway, I tried it on. It looked cute, but it was cropped.
Oh, yeah.
Cropped on me.
Well, I like long, you know, it
Yeah.
just is a little more
And
convenient.
that's
But I
what
love
was gonna
this.
say, like, do you know that this is still like long? I mean, but North Face is North Face.
And I was looking back through
Forever.
photo. Yeah, well, I'd say forever because I will literally insert
ahead.
the photo here. I have it on my phone of me. I had to be I was under 10, and it was a photo of us, and you were wearing this vest in the in the picture. Yes, cute though, but it shows that it's time. This is the photo. Like, how old am I there, Mom? And your hair was red. I actually was thinking about this the other day because
my hair was red.
your hair was red, but red hair is so in right now too. So you just were popular
It's
before.
on trend, I tell you. Let me see how cute my girl is.
I didn't know how to smile. Remember when I went through the phase where I like did.
Cutie.
My mom's getting a full tour. It's such a fall vibe today. Actually, it's giving winter. It's pretty cold.
It's like, what happened? Overnight. It's like
Yeah.
we went to Florida for a week. We came back.
I know. It always
Break out the
happens.
winter coats.
Thanksgiving's gonna be even worse.
Dad reminded us that we've had Halloweens where we've had the air conditioning on.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Well, it's gonna be 70 something this week.
Yeah.
So good. I love soup as an appetizer.
I love soup all day.
I know,
every
me
day.
too, actually. All right, we just finished up lunch. That was so good. And it was
Oh, it's so shiny. Oh, do you find that the
setting spray.
yeah, it makes you a little like
Yeah,
but
yeah,
it's supposed
dewy.
to.
Yeah,
Is that a
look at
good
my
thing?
skin, yeah.
But is that okay for an older person?
Mom.
No, I'm serious.
Yes, you look great.
No, are you sure that?
Yes,
because
you
then I
look
find myself
amazing.
powdering on
No,
top of
what I was gonna say is if you live in New York City, Bondi Sushi, they have a bunch of locations, or Bondi, I think it's pronounced because it's Australian. They
Really?
have.
Oh, he's arrived.
He's right there.
How
They
do you know?
$26 lunch special and it was phenomenal. Got home and I've just been doing some work, did a few things for the podcast. We recorded a bunch in advance, even though we're gonna record again tomorrow. So we need to figure out what we're gonna talk about tomorrow, topic, do some planning for that. It is so cold in my apartment right now. It's because it's 50 degrees outside and the heat's not on. And I already run cold. I'm one of those people, I'm sure you guys maybe know someone that's like this, or maybe it's you. Let me know what you do. I've never been like diagnosed with like poor circulation or anything, but my feet are always like ice cold and my hands are always really cold too. And I'm sitting here in sweatpants and a sweater and I'm like still shivering on my blanket, literally right here because I'm so cold. I slept last night with like a full everything and a blanket, and it's only like beginning of October. I'm like, can we put the heat on, please? I'm freaking cold, man. I've lived in this building for a while, and I know that they like will put it on. I just watched a TikTok though on like heating rights, and technically if it's below 55 outside, they have to have the heat on, and it is below 55. It's like just below 55, but it's raining too, so it feels even colder. And for some reason in here it's so cold. Like the hallway and the rest of the building is fine, but like in my individual apartment it is so cold. I'm just complaining about nothing. I know that there's people who have it a lot worse than me. I'm just saying that. But what do you do? Because like that's why I always wear socks, because my feet are always cold. I just am always cold. I've always been this way. Like I remember like I would touch like my cold legs to like my mom, and she'd be like, oh my god, what the heck? Like anyways, my mom and I had the most lovely time. Like that was just so great. That's like the perk definitely of living in New York. I remember like living in Boston and stuff, I didn't have those abilities to like, you know, just grab lunch with my mom when she happens to be in the city, because she never just popped by. So I think that's a perk definitely of living in a city that your parents live in like the suburbs too or whatever. But it's nice because we still have like a healthy distance. Like we don't see each other every single day, but it makes it so special when we get to see each other and whatever. So I'm just very, very lucky gal. Now I'm gonna finish up. I feel like congested and stuff too. I'm just like, what's happening to me? I'm whitening my teeth. Got our Crest white strips in, cleaning up. Just have to put away a few things. And my bed looks a little messy. I don't know why, because maybe I made it messy, but I need to put away some teas and things. I cannot believe it's already like coat season, because I was kind of taking a little inventory today of like what I have and stuff for the season. I feel like, you know, as I'm really an adult now, 25, I have, you know, my coats in order, which is really nice that I don't have to worry about. Like, you know, I feel like when I was younger or even in college, it would be like, well, I guess in college was different because I didn't really need a huge coat, but I would always be like, ooh, need to figure out what the winter coat. And now I feel like I have it all. I have like the slouchy coats, I have the more like the lighter coats, I have a good selection of puffers. Might wear this cream one tonight because it's pretty chilly outside with the rain, and I feel like this Sherpa-y material is really in again, even though it's been in, but I think it's going to continue to be in this season. I'm really excited. I just ordered something that is like in this material, and it's like a pullover, and I'm really excited about it. The strips kind of give me a lisp when I talk like this. Doing laundry, obviously changed to sweatpants. All right. Changed into this sweater from Aritzia. My heat just got turned on. It's very exciting. Same Abercrombie pants. I'm about to head to Brooklyn to Ben's, and we're gonna go to dinner and stuff. I'm gonna bring my computer and everything with me so I can get some work done there and planning for the podcast and whatnot. But yeah, that's that. And I decided to just put my hair back fully in a ponytail. I can't believe it's already super puff season. I really don't like the look of it with this because it's like black detailing or whatever, but I just am cold already. And yeah, I don't want to wear my other coat because this one has a hood. Made it to my car. Good thing about the ponytails that it stayed tucked, but my makeup got all over this jacket, which we don't love so much. I haven't had this car in the winter yet. It's not even the winter, it's still the fall, but it's just particularly, like I said, cold and rainy today. But this car has a heated steering wheel and heated seats. Real upgrade. It's really cool. I think I just go like this. No, not climate, maybe controls. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna do the heated seat for now on low. Do you guys like a heated seat? I love it. Maybe not too hot, because then you're like, ooh. And the heated wheel, I tried it the other day, gets pretty hot too, so I'm not gonna do that for now. All right, we're not going out to dinner, actually. We just ordered in. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I love you guys, and I will see you all in the next one super soon. Bye.